Hey, so what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, we are going to be welding up some flowers. I got some new ideas, a little sneak peek right there. We're going to be making these. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Well, like it's welding better.
Oh yeah. With all that wind not messing it up.
Huh?
I said with all that wind not blowing on it, probably.
Yeah.
What?
I've only been in here days one time.
Really? It's not the best, but it's also not the worst.
You guys try that barbecue place?
No, where's that at?
Barbecue?
Oh no.
Oh, not any else?
Not been there.
I think that's called.
Yeah, that's what it's called. I've been there. What? Yeah. It probably is.
Good to have tools.
Okay, so, I know you see this camera angle a lot. I don't got my tripod with me, so that's besides the point. Here is our base plate, right? I tell you what, this thing was $39.99. Like, brother. Or no, that was $29.99. My bad. Okay, so we got our 3" by 3" plate, and we got two flowers, right? Two little flowers. So what I'm gonna do is a little bouquet, like this. Put like 4 of them on the plate and see what they look like. But we gotta weld up our 2 little flowers right here to their, stems, the rods. So let's get into it. All right, so here we go. So here's the stem or the rod. I guess you want to call it whichever one. Let's turn the welder on. It's a 115 volt Miller welder. You already know, best in the game. But that was really cringy. I don't know why I just did that. That was actually really bad. But now it's time to weld. Let's get to it, baby. What's that? There we go. There we go. We got it tack welded. So there we go. Okay, bro. There we go. Got a little bit of tack weld. There we go. You ever just weld when you got long hair and feel like it's gonna burn? That's how I feel every second of the day. Let's lift this up, let's look at it. Hey, pretty good tack welds right there. Yes, sir. I guess we'll fix it when we're done, but, or like after I do this one. Not fix it, but just weld the bottom side, just to make sure they won't ever break, you know. And this is gonna come off obviously, but hey, let me know if you wanna buy some, if you would buy some if I sold them online. Because I'm planning on it soon, in the making, once I get my own welder. Huh? I bet.
Man, it's hot in here. We're out there.
What the heck? Ow.
Had a lot of leaves. I just didn't keep up on them.
What the heck?
Look how they ground. When it won't hard, you usually have to readjust your ground cable. Probably put it on the stem.
That's where it was.
Huh?
All I gotta do is just,
Huh?
I said for these two, all I gotta do is just weld the bottom part. It should be done. And then I can do the
paint. That's pretty good. You gonna weld all these on the bottom part?
oh yeah.
All three of them, four of them? On the plate?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Yeah, so like weld these two on first. I just gotta find the middle and then just like,
And then two over here.
yeah. They don't gotta be perfect though.
Yeah, there you go. You can get in there and weld it. Yeah, that's the whole thing.
This one on right here.
I even weld part of the stem on it. Get close enough.
Okay, so we got, okay, now it's time to weld the fourth one on. It doesn't even fall over with the ground clamp.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's looking really good. Oh yeah, it's looking really good.
Oh yeah. It's a pretty good foothold.
It doesn't
Oh
fall
yeah,
over.
look at that.
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, let's go.
Just gonna rub this right
Make
here.
sure that baby's on there. Don't drop it on the floor.
Well, that's the test.
Huh?
I said that's gonna be a test.
Yeah.
Hopefully it don't break. There we go. Where we had this thing, but it wasn't really even working. 'Cause, you know, the things are dead. But here we go. We cut 2 off already. About to cut another one 16 So here are the finished products. We got this one done. We got that done. We got both of these done and this one done, all in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, you know, all of the above. So if you guys want me to sell them online, let me know down in the comments, because I probably will be soon. So see you guys. Peace.